In this video, I will show you how to get and install new emojis on your Mac. First, go to any emoji website just like getemoji.com or emojicopy.com. Now search for your favorite emoji. For example, if I want to install this Marman emoji on my Mac, first I will select and copy Marman emoji and then go to my system preferences. Click on keyboard and select text tab. Now click on this plus icon and give your emoji a name. After that, press the tab key and on next field, just paste your emoji. I use keyboard shortcut Command A for that. Hit the enter key and that's all. Now you can use this new emoji anywhere on your Mac. In your messages, emails, social posts, anywhere. Let's check. So as soon as I type the word Marman, my little friend popped out. Just press the spacebar key and boom, my new emoji is inserted without any keyboard shortcut. Super simple. Friends, this method is extremely helpful if you want to install some new or some of your favorite emojis on your Mac. But if you want to use all of your Mac emojis just by typing and adding them at once in your text substitution field, then use this second method. Go to Macmoji repo page, link in the video description. Now on your right hand side, click on this code button and download the zip file. After extracting the zip folder, just open the folder and drag the emoji substitution playlist file into text substitution field. That's all. Now you get all the long list of emojis in your text substitution field. Now you can quickly add these emojis in your messages, emails, social networks or anywhere else just by typing. Super cool. Friends, if you want, you can also delete emojis from your text substitution field. Just select the emoji you want to delete and hit this minus icon. If you want to delete all the emojis at once from your text substitution field, then just select all of them by pressing Command and A key of your keyboard and hit this minus icon. Simple. So friends, hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button and consider to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.